3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful colour, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another.
Everyone's been really, really friendly, and that's been really good.
Very excited. I went all giddy and started laughing.
A lot easier than I thought, a lot smoother run than I thought.
It's good because there's a lot of excitement, you know, like you see there's a lot of kind of buzz in the air, everyone's, you know, feeling it and everything like that.
Actually, I only spoke to one person upstairs and I got hired on my first choice, so I was quite excited about that.
I've had a very good day. I'm very happy. And I'm really, really excited.
It's silly if you don't go, really.
Be as much as yourself as you can, be laid back.
Be prepared, don't be nervous, be calm, like everyone's nice, like they want you to come and join the programme.
I think it probably is beneficial having an interview first.
You always got to be prepared.
Do your research.
Yeah, make sure you bring like your application certificates or anything with you, and make sure that you know a bit about the camp you're applying for.
Be prepared, you know what camps you want to come to.
Get early to get to the front of the queue so you don't wait in the cold.
Get the camps that you want to go to in a list so you're not faffing about when you're in here.
You just have to be yourself and be confident, so it's important.
It's been pretty awesome to be honest. Yeah, it's been really cool.
I am CA.
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 I am CA.